Hey everyone, I'm Chris, and today I'm going to be reviewing a product from Powerology for you. Is it okay if I remove my mask?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, it's a lot better. Alright, so I know this is the best season for camping, and that's why we need this generator, which in my opinion is the best product to take with you. You can charge your phone, your laptop. So I want to introduce you to the Powerology Power Generator. Let's get inside and let's see what we've got in here. There's a manual, but I don't really look at manuals, so if you want you can, but I don't look at it. First up here, these feel like cables, so let's check it out. Oh, okay, this is like what you use in the car to charge it, so there might be a port in there for that as well. And I believe this is to charge it. Oh, I hate these things. Okay, it's a lot lighter than I thought, which is a good thing. It's quite portable. Wow, this is actually quite light. It's beautiful as well. I love the color on it. It's a nice black finish. We've got an AC unit, which is universal, I've been told. So if you bring in your own adapters from, let's say, the UK or America even, you can just stick it in there. You don't need to bring anything up from outside, which is quite handy. What else have we got on here? So that's the power button up there. All right, takes a few seconds to just get it on, okay? And if you'd like to display your AC outputs, you just hold this down for a bit and it should turn green right there, okay? And the same thing for USB. That's how you activate them. So whenever you want to plug in, just hold it down until the light is green. Next up, this handle, by the way, I love a lot. It's like you're carrying a toolkit with you, basically a power toolkit. So let's say you're going on a road trip and you forget to charge this bad boy. No worries. You can always charge it from your car. You could plug this into your car and it's got a port here. You just plug it in and put it in your car and it'll charge. However, if you got another device, you can also plug this one in this port right over here and charge that. Now this is a 12 watt, so it's like a standard for mobile phones, some tablets, like smaller tablets, which is a very good thing. So it's actually even got a beautiful bright screen on here. And if you don't want to see the battery percentages, there's even a display button over here that you can change it like that, so it's completely gone. And if you want to bring it back, it's always back there. I've also actually got 4 USB ports, and one of them is a Type-C, which is really useful. And we've got a blue one over here, fast charge, really useful. So you can even charge your 13-inch MacBook, 30 PD, which stands for power delivery, on the Type-C cable over here. I think this is one of the best generators out there in the market just because of how light and portable it is, and also it's so compact and the beautiful design. You can take it to the desert, anywhere really, and knock it down a few times. Nothing will happen to it. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Let us know what you think in the comments about the product. Yeah, I'll see you next time. Wait, where's my mask?